Good afternoon. I would like to declare in advance my bad English and to apologize regarding that. Okay, our group is small and we have two representatives here. Sorry, is Tanya and myself. And we start, let's say, quite late, maybe less than 1 year ago, because we joined Action very late, and then on that time we believe that there are some activities, but at the end appears that we are the only one participating in this subgroup. And basically, our people who are working with us are members of two laboratories in the same institution. So basically, we meet every day, we work together, and we succeed to have some kind of modest results to bring to this action. We had the pleasure to organize a meeting together with the other subgroup, lifestyle and sexual medicine, and Marco will talk more about that. And we had, besides those plenary lectures, we had a very good discussion. And then maybe since all those pictures and notes after meeting will be published in the website of our action, maybe I would like just to tell something which appears during meeting, that one gynecologist, he thought that it's important to follow the obesity during pregnancy and the effect on sexual development and sexual health, so which I think we did not take into consideration. And what the ongoing activities are basically results which we achieved during that meeting, and also after Lisbon meeting we talked with edges. So currently we are preparation for application for bilateral cooperation between Turkey and Serbia. And why is this good for our action? Because on that way we will somehow establish the way of communication with sampling and everything, and then we can make that more, let's say, wider. Also, we talked with and actually it's Marco's idea about some call which will be available. No, the deadline is September, but he will talk more about that. And then we also discussed about other activities, and what we think that the way how can our group contribute in the future, it's basically we believe the new approach of global sexual health for better understanding of the mechanisms. And based on these results, we can contribute by, we already have some kind of preliminary results to bring new, let's say, markers of tool and to develop new diagnostic tool. And then after that, but somewhere in the future, therapies, treatments for sexual health disorders. We have preliminary results not on sexual health disorder, but on PCOX and human participants of PTSD using mitochondrial dynamic markers. What is the advantage of our group? Because we are from Serbia. Serbia is not EU country, so, and it appears that it's really politically correct to have somebody from ICT countries. And we are also we have mostly girls. Besides 2 boys, we have 18 girls, young girls. And how we will approach this project, the common project with edges. So we have a lot of animal models, and we will use human sampling, and then we apply different types of the methods, and we call this multi-scale physiology network approach in different space and time scale, and on starting from the gene, proteins, function, organelles, different cells, tissue, and then of course we will compare this with these human samples, and we have lot of animal models, and all those models are established and published. And I will just show here results which we obtained during activities of laboratory for chronobiology and aging, and Tanya is here because this research was coordinated by her, and maybe this could be interesting for the action. So we treated age rat, not age rat, starting from the, let's say, 12 years of age, which we can compare maybe with 15 years human age. And then you see those are age rats, those are controls treated for 6 months every morning with Viagra. And results regarding or related to reproductive function are published, and you can see how those rats are nice. And then the physical activity is 60% higher than in control group. So with Ege, he will provide us the human samples, the people who particularly with Viagra. So we will now make this bilateral collaboration, and this project we will include also human samples. And then, yeah, we are very, very aware of different challenges, but certainly we have the ways how to deal with this. And at the end, thank you very much for your attention, and especially thanks to Mariana and Ethel for believing in us. Okay, thank you.
Questions?
Please ask your question.
Okay.
Dear Silvana, thank you very much for your nice compliment to Ethel and me. Definitely, we are very happy that you have started this subgroup and very proud of your work. And we both find it's a very important work. Thank you very much.